In order to install the Remus valve control module, remove the heat shield and unscrew the plastic cover beneath it. Then remove the rear light cover and carefully pull the 12-volt outlet away from its mount. Carefully cut into the rubber bung so that the actuator cable can go through it. Refit the rubber bung. And remove the ring terminal from the black cable of the Remus loom and support using the supplied cable tie. Guide the black and orange cables through the opening in the 12-volt outlet. Using the supplied splice connectors, connect the orange cable to plus and the black cable to minus on the socket leading to vehicle electrical power. Then refit the outlet and place the cable behind the trim. Connect the actuator cable to the Remus valve control module, stow the cables in the cavity and install the cover. Refit the plastic cover and the heat shield to the underside of the vehicle. Proceed to install the Remus sports exhaust. In order for the valve to operate, the screw and fixing plate must be removed. Finally, attach the actuator to the muffler and connect the actuator cable.